Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene Sap, and in case you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. So guys, today we are coming live from Nakuru. Yeah, we are coming live from Nakuru County, and we are here at Nyayo Gardens here in Nakuru, and I just want to take you through this amazing place so that you can see how everything looks like. The last time I did a video from here, it was not like this. Yeah, it was not like this. There are so many changes that has been taking place, so I would like to take you through this amazing place so that you can see how everything looks like. So guys, before we continue, please like the video, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. So thank you so much guys, and enjoy the video. Yes, so guys, from the entrance you can see here they have put this, when you enter from the gate there, then you come and wash your hands here. They're saying wash your hands first. Yeah, because of this corona, you have to wash your hands. Then here we goes. Yeah, so guys, that's how everything looks like. The place looks clean, it looks very neat. So like Nakuru is developing. Yeah, Nakuru is now a city. Yeah, so as you can see around the area, we have amazing flowers around the area. So if you have never been to Nakuru, you need to visit. Yeah. And we have amazing buildings around the area. This is the America Hotel. Yeah, we have so many amazing buildings, and we have trees around the area. Yeah, so guys, please like this video, share with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. So let me take you inside here. Yes, inside here we have trees all over the area, as you can see there, and we have people taking pictures there. We have the Christmas tree. You have the amazing Christmas tree over there. Yeah, and that's by taking videos. No, I mean pictures. You see. When you come inside here, you don't need to pay. It is free. Yeah, you don't need to pay. It is free. Yeah. Yes, and guys, the other side we have another gate. We have two gates. The other one and this one. So there are two. Yeah, over here guys, you can see how it is written, like Nakuru City, enjoy and prosper. You see? Yeah. And over here, guys, we have this. I don't know what we have. This is the map of Kenya. This is how the map of Kenya looks like. This is the map of Kenya, and over here, I don't know if you can see well, but those ratings saying Nakuru County Dedication Memorial Altar. I don't know if you can see well. Yeah, so that is it. So for those ones who don't know how the map of Kenya looks like, this is how it looks like. This one over here. Kupiga picha nani mimi? Yes, so guys, that's how everything looks like here. And please like the video, share, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So So guys, we have come to the end of our video today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support. Please like the video, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. So thank you so much guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.